Okay guys, the sun is about to set over there, just about to hit the horizon. I'm in the Can-Am. I'm gonna grab my dasher. I saw a bunch of impala hanging out in this area and I've got 10 minutes to make it happen. So welcome to a 10-minute hunt. Okay, walking over the riverbed. No idea where these guys are, but I last saw them in that direction. Okay, no sign of them just yet. The sun is now down. We have 5 minutes, maybe 10. Hopefully, I can bump them somehow. Otherwise, I might sprint to the top of one of these hills and see if I can see them over the ridge. That happened very quickly. I think he should be down. I'm sorry. I was fiddling with the camera, and then I wasn't recording on this camera. This was our setup. 177 meters. A little bit of bushes in front of him. Planted him on the shoulder. Let's go see if he's down. There he is. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Guys. Oh my word, I'm pumped. Man. I can't describe how fun this is to hunt by yourself. Oh, he's a beauty. Wow. Thanks, buddy. Guys, look at that. Wow. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Look at that. Oh, darn it. Look at that. What a specimen of an impala. Shot him on the shoulder. Looks... oh wow. I can feel the bullet on the side of his skin. I can actually feel the bullet sitting in his skin. Let's see if we can recover that, because that'd be quite cool. I was shooting a 109 grain Burger Elite Hunter. I'm gonna take my knife and recover this for us real quick. Okay. Let's do a quick small surgery here to recover this bullet that I can literally feel sitting right here underneath the skin. I'm here solo, so like a little cross like that. I can feel it's mushroomed quite a bit. I don't want to cut myself open. Here we go. That is the first time that I've ever recovered a bullet like that. Look at this. Oh. Okay, that's the bow tail on the back there. I don't know if I clipped the branch just before I hit him, but I just cut the bullet out right underneath his skin. That's pretty cool. I'll weigh this, and I will see how much weight we retained. Again, shooting my 6mm dasher, MDT Hunting 26, super slick setup, Razor, LHT, and the Impact 4000 on the top. Burger 108 Elite Hunter bullets. Okay, so we walked from that mountain over there through the big riverbed, and then we shot across this valley from down there somewhere. What a special hunt. Now there's a small problem, because as I said, I'm solo, and I'm gonna have to recover this guy solo. I am, however, glad that he's not blown out the other side, so that I can kind of drag him to the closest road and grab my tripod, drag him to the closest road, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring around the side-by-side and try and recover him in the road, and I'm going to load him in the rear seat. Wow, 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 guys. I cannot explain to you how pumped I am on this Impala. Such a beautiful ram. He's going to go in my office right next to my black Impala. I'm just so relieved, man. I really wanted this ram. I've been seeing him from the lodge. The lodge is over there somewhere, and I've been standing, drinking my coffee among beers, those kind of things, watching some kudu and things move in this riverbed area. So I knew that they were hanging around here. And when the opportunity came about, we were prepared. Our rifle was on the money. Okay, I'm now going to attempt to carry all my stuff down this hill, through these bushes that are designed to absolutely annihilate flesh. So, yes, this will be challenging, but kind of is what it is. I'm just going to walk up here and maybe see if there's a bit of a road. Wow, this was difficult to film, obviously. Again, here by myself, but I'm glad you guys got to tag along. I'm gonna recover him, maybe try snap a quick photograph of him, but again, seriously running out of daylight, although this camera will make it look, no road up here, this camera will make it look cool. Okay, I'm gonna snap a photo and then recover this beautiful ram. In terms of our shot placement, right there in the heart, absolutely spectacular. I'm gonna try put him there for a photo. Okay, I got my photos. I've got him halfway down the hill. I'm gonna have to temporarily leave my rifle here by a landmark, throw him over my shoulder, Birchall style, and try and get him to the road. Okay, can't film it. Sorry. He's moorswaar. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I've got him like a backpack. I'm gonna try to get up now. Okay, he's recovered. A road, a car's very far that way. Something to keep in mind while I make my way back to get my rifle is that there are big leopards here. So I guess walking around, because I had to gut the Impala, it was too heavy to carry by myself. Walking around with a dead Impala, dripping blood down your entire back in leopard infested area is like shark bait or spearfishing next to the great whites. I don't have much daylight left to find my rifle. It's almost completely black. And then I need to find a service road that will take me back to where I've dropped him, next to the side of the road. This was freaking epic. I love these. No! Oh, guys. Somewhere in the commotion, I took my phone out. I lost that freaking bullet. Damn it. Sorry guys. Priorities. Oh, that was a close call. Almost didn't find my rifle again. Little sketch with the leopards. And I think my trusty Kershaw didn't give me false confidence in. Okay. The recovery is en route. Goodness gracious. It's very black around me. I'm not scared. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay, let's look.